Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to tell you about daily life lesson. Here you will learn about your daily routine or daily activities. Of course, it's only an example. So let's get started. Daily routine or daily activities. These are the things we do every day. I wake up at 7 am. I wake up at 7 am. I do some exercises for 30 minutes. I do some exercises for 30 minutes. Then I take a shower. Then I take a shower. I have my breakfast at 8 am and brush my teeth. I have my breakfast at 8 am and brush my teeth. Then I go to school. Then I go to school. I come back from school at 1 pm. I come back from school at 1 pm. Then I get fresh and have my lunch. Then I get fresh and have my lunch. In the afternoon, I play with my cousins. In the afternoon, I play with my cousins. In the evening, I take some light snacks and do my homework. In the evening, I take some light snacks and do my homework. After studying, I watch TV for a while. After studying, I watch TV for a while. At 9 pm, I have my dinner. At 9 pm, I have my dinner. I go to bed at 10 pm. I go to bed at 10 pm. In this way, I spend my everyday. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.